everyone. My name is Akshatha Pai. I'm the project manager at a company called Sirena Technologies. So, Sirena Technologies is a 4-year-old, rather a 5-year-old startup. We are completely based out of Bangalore and we have three main divisions in which we operate. So, I'll quickly tell you about them and before we move on to the highlight of the session. So, the three main divisions of Sirena Technologies is education, AI and IoT. Before I go on to the other divisions, my key focus here, my main aim here today is to share a vision that my company has. That is disruption in education. We are all stakeholders when it comes to education, and education plays a really important role in every sphere today. So,
This is how we started with a dream. To share a little bit information about my team, so our company is based out of Bangalore. We are about 100 to 120 people in the team. We are all engineers by profession, but we are all dreamers. Okay, we have a passion of changing the way education is delivered in India. So we created a bunch of products and a curriculum around it, and we targeted the education sector. So what are these different products? We know that technology is an indispensable skill today. If I tell you that we are moving at a breakneck speed in terms of technology, you will not be surprised. To speak of, we are right in the middle of Industry 4.0, correct? Or the fourth industrial revolution. And what exactly is happening in Industry 4.0? The current trends are to make everything smart. Smart homes, smart cars, smart automation, smart manufacturing, smart industries, yeah? And how are we doing this? We are integrating everything with IoT, AI, cybersecurity, cognitive computing. We're putting all of these technologies in place. And it doesn't stop here. Now if you extrapolate and see where these trends are leading us, we kind of have a picture about the foreseeable future, right? We are all heading towards AI. That day is not far when you can actually see AI completely take over, or that AI revolution is not far away, correct? But then what we still see is some sort of gap is still present. Okay? We have all the technology available today. Okay? We have everything in terms of resources. But what is missing? That particular talent. Okay? So to sum it up, what I see is from Industry 4.0 to Industry 6.0, that gap, or what is Industry 5.0, is going to focus on talent. Because talent and not technology is going to be the success of your digital future, okay? It is not enough if you just have the technology. You need to have the right resources. And somewhere we are failing miserably, okay? That gap still exists between academia and industry. And how do I know this? I myself was a professor of robotics for 6 years, so I have closely worked with education industry. And I know what is happening in the institutes, and I know the requirements that are there out in the industry. We see this major gap, okay? So that is what we tried to change as a company. We wanted to disrupt the way technology is taught, and then we decided to start really early. So we start as early as schools. So these are all the domains where you can actually find technology today. And this is not even something from a future. It's currently what's happening. So the first division, or the key focus of my company, is education. So we have created a certain set of products to make education fun. Does that sound like an oxymoron? Education is fun? Yeah. So that is exactly what we wanted to do, okay? So we created a set of products starting from India's first intelligent humanoid. All of us know what humanoids are, right? These are robots that look like human beings. So why human? That's the first question that I'm always asked. Why did you want to do a humanoid? Because ever since the starting of time, whenever you wanted to talk about robots, the first impression was it resembles a human. And that's exactly what grasps attention in education. So we created India's first intelligent humanoid, along with a bunch of other robots like autonomous cars, legged robots, and we built a comprehensive curriculum around it. Okay? We teach everything from 3D printing to robotics to Android programming, Python programming, even concepts of AI and ML right in schools. I'm not talking about universities. This is happening right now in Indian schools. So let me just quickly share the video of what our robot is capable of doing.
Hey Nino, identify yourself.
I am Nino 11.
Hey Nino, identify this picture.
Yes. This is a picture of Deepika Padukone.
Hey Nino, track my face.
Okay, sure.
Hey Nino, what do you see?
I can see you, Weshwick. Potted plant. Handbag. Bottle. Vase.
Hey Nino, how is the weather today?
The weather is 20 degrees Celsius. Perfect weather for a walk.
Hey Nino, let's go for a walk. Hey Nino, stop walking. Hey Nino, start walking. Hey Nino, stop walking. Hey Nino, start walking.
There is an obstacle on my way. Please don't touch me. Oops, don't worry, I will get up.
Sorry Nino. Let's go.
I feel like dancing. Would you like to join me? Okay, sure.
Bye Nino.
Bye, Weshwick Satyam. Bye, Nino. Bye, Shikha.
Bye, Nino.
Bye, Pratibha.
Bye Nino.
Bye, Datta.
Bye Nino.
Bye, Vandit.
Okay. So that is Nino, our intelligent humanoid. And that's not just a video, okay? The robot actually has all those features. Everything from movement to speech recognition, to object identification. Okay? The key is to provide industry-ready technology to academics. That is what we always wanted to do. So Nino is not the only product. Apart from Nino, we have set of several other products like I mentioned, and it comes complete with a designed curriculum. This curriculum is at par with CBSE, ICSE syllabus and is also DACRT approved. Okay? So we teach everything from robotics to electronics to control systems to Android programming, Python programming, all of it. Even 3D printing is included. Now, so many times I get the question, how are first grade students or second grade students able to study all of this? So we have activities and we have curriculum designed in such a way that it is developmentally appropriate. Okay, we have targeted all the audience using the same set of products. I can use the same Nino to teach first, second grade kids about feeling comfortable around technology, where they ask questions, queries, talk to the robot, interact with it, learn few things. Middle grade students use the robot by using a visual GUI or an interface where they program it and perform actions. In higher grade, we expose them to APIs, they program using Android, Python. So the same set of product is used to target students of all learning levels. And what is really important with the way we are delivering this is, it's not just about the product. Okay? There are so many fantastic products out there. What education needs right now is a complete ecosystem. You need to have the right curriculum, the right mentor, and the right environment where students can explore and innovate. Okay? The flaw that exists in the education system currently is that everything goes by a method of rote learning. There are no appropriate hands-on activities, and this somewhere reflects when it comes to jobs. Now, if you look at surveys that are done, for example, the Aspiring Mind survey, it says that only about 18% of Indian engineering graduates get placed with good jobs. Okay? So there are about 6,000 engineering colleges in India, 6 lakh graduates annually, so only 18% get good jobs, out of which most of them go for IT and services, and 3% take up roles of creators or R&D. The reason is we have never been given an environment where you are coming with solutions, out of the box way of thinking and trying to apply what you've learned. That is exactly what we are trying to do with our education system. And we have proven results. Currently, we are in over 40 schools all over the country. We are into groups like DPS schools, CMS schools. We are all over India. We are in Philippines, we are in Laos, Bangladesh, and as of last month, we have associated with STEM Canada, and we are seeing results. We have students who learn to apply whatever they have learned in the classroom. They are creating smart dustbins. An 8th grade kid is capable of creating a smart dustbin, all right? So this is exactly what we want, where we want our students to go in the future. Let's have a look at how we are doing this in our schools. So we set up the lab completely. Either the school buys it right out of us, or we set a rolling model where the school does no investment and the students pay for their classes. Can you please play the video? So these are some of our clients that we have in education. And then, if you think we are just about education, we have whole new divisions out there directly in technology. So apart from education, we have two other divisions in AI and IoT. So a quick thing about our commercial robots. So we also have a 3.5-foot humanoid robot, which is out for the service and commercial sector. We are currently engaged with the Karnataka Tourism Department for deploying a humanoid in the international airport for customer interaction. Apart from that, we are very soon going to roll out with our wheeled humanoids in different use cases for industry, commerce, service sectors. We are working on a few projects right now, and we have several other plans lined up. And then about IoT. So before education, actually, before we rolled out with education, IoT was our main focus. We are Amazon's official ODM partners for Alexa solutions. So if you see those Bluetooth Wi-Fi speakers with Alexa on them, most of them would have been created by us. So we are also responsible for creating the world's smallest portable Alexa speaker. It is also made of wood, it is portable, and it runs on battery power. Not just this, we have a wide range of products, Alexa-enabled products, which are out there. So we have several other customers. Apart from Alexa solutions, we have created Alexa adapters, which means if you have any audio product out there, you can put these Alexa adapters and make your device built-in Alexa solutions. So we work with a lot of clients for products like this as well. And then coming to AI. So we also work in AI in terms of speech recognition and computer vision. We have our own text-to-speech engine. We have our own automated speech recognition system. We build custom wake word engines for companies. If you've heard of, hey, Alexa, okay, Google. So you don't have to rely on these giants anymore. We can customize the same for you. So we work with industries like healthcare. We work with e-commerce. We work with several other IT sectors also for all of these solutions. So Saint is our Sirena artificial intelligence network technology. It's just one box, and this can run speech recognition for you completely offline, and it is portable also. So in cases where data privacy is an issue, you don't have to have your data sent out to some other client. Your data remains with you. So our AI IoT clients are, as mentioned, we work with GE Healthcare for an offline speech recognition system. We work with Geo, Boat, and all of these for our IoT solutions and custom wake word engines. Okay, so we've been doing this for the last 2-3 years right now. So these are the three main divisions that we have with Sirena Technologies. This is our roadmap. We have several set of Alexa speakers that are going to come out. We have our AI technologies. We have so many projects that are lined up. We do everything from ASR, NLU, text-to-speech, speech-to-text, offline wake word engines. And in robots, we have our educational robots. We have commercial robots. The wheeled humanoid, which is going to roll out in just about 1 more month. And then all the other IoT projects. So, thank you so much. Excuse me.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Pratik. I'm from Shell.
Hi.
I would like to know how much does this education cost for one student at a school?
Per student?
Per student, yes.
So like I told you, there are two different models in which we work. One, the school outright buys the setup from us, which includes a series of robots, a curriculum, and a trainer who is going to be deployed in that facility. That costs somewhere from 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs max model. Otherwise, what we do is called as a rolling model, where the school does zero investment. They just give us a space. The products belong to us, but we conduct robotics for them. And students are charged a mere fee of somewhere around 150 to 300, depending upon the number of students per month.
Per month, 150.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm Arun from ITC Infotech, and I'm associated as a business analyst currently.
Good afternoon, sir.
I have got a twofold question.
Sure.
So, what would be the role of a business analyst in the arena of RPA, and what is the household utility of this robot Nino?
Sorry, household?
Utility of this robot Nino.
So as of now, the robots that we have Nino, it is not targeted for an individual experience. These are meant for education and school where they learn in groups. But if you would have seen, I have shown a few of the Alexa dolls, okay, or products. These are meant for household use in the same way that students can learn and interact and, make it a fun experience. But the robots that we showed, they're not meant for single use at home. These are targeted for schools and education only.
Can we have this as a personal voice assistant like CD or Alexa?
Of course, we do that as well, in the robot or not. Either ways, we have a personalized voice assistant. So recently, this robot was also adopted by a government water-based theme park in Hyderabad. So the mere idea was for people to come and talk about water conservation strategies, find out what the government is doing. So these are several other sectors where we see these humanoids engage with the local public.
And my other question was, what is the role of a business analyst in the arena of RPA?
So currently we don't work with RPA. So that's not something we are entering as of now. So for us, it's just about IoT, robotics in terms of these actual robots, and AI-based technology.
Thank you.
Thank you. So thank you, guys. I know I placed a lot of stress on education even though we had two other divisions. The reason is we are all stakeholders when it comes to education, and I just wanted to pass this message so that you can spread a word around about us as well. Thank you so much.